Semi-automatic washing machine LG 7.5 kg. How to use washing machine. Watch to the end to see how they are using semi-automatic washing machine LG 7.5 kg. You guys can see how it's turning inside the washing machine. So what to do first? You have to turn it off. Then when you turn it off, you will then turn it. You have to turn it to the particular number you want it to wash. You understand? You will turn it to the particular number you want it to wash. You can see that particular point. So that's the place I normally put my own. So it's going to rotate to its off. You can see now it's washing. So it will be doing like that, and it will be rotating till it's off. Then when you want it to wash 2 times, you have to repeat the process. So moving over this side, here is when you spin it. After you are done washing the clothes, you put it inside spinning, which I will be showing you guys. Yes, you can see it. You can see it's washing the clothes. You can see how beautiful, how fast it is. Here is for spinning. After washing it, you put it here for spinning. It will spin your dress. Let me assume you want to wear your dress and go out that particular day. You can wear it and go out that particular day, because it will spin it and your dress will dry immediately. It will dry immediately. You can see where they wrote it. So here is for spinning. Here is for draining. When you are done washing everything, you put that place, it will drain all the water away. So the washing machine is so beautiful, it's so nice. You can see where I'm pointing. Here is where they wrote off and on, because this one is automatic washing machine. When you put it on, water will start coming inside than you pouring water inside. I'll be showing you guys everything. So you guys can see where they wrote on. Here is off. So right now it's off, it's not on, because if it's on, you can see water pouring inside the washing machine. You can see the connection, how they connected it. You can see the wire. It is connected direct into the washing machine. So that place I am pointing is where the water will be coming out, which I'll be showing you guys. You can see how this automatic washing machine is washing this dress very well. It is washing it very well. Like this washing machine is very powerful. It's very nice. It's very nice. You can buy it. It's very nice. I will show you guys how you can connect it automatic. Yes, I can show you guys how you can connect it automatic, so it will not give you stress. So you can see detergent. This one is another set of clothes. You pour your detergent inside the washing machine. Then after you are done pouring it, you go to on and on it to that particular number. You can see the number and it will start washing. When you are washing and you find out the water you are using is not yet dirty, you can pour in another dress than pouring the water away. You can use it to wash another dress than wasting the water. So you can see I've covered it. so it can wash. Here is where you can spin your dress. I've put in the first set inside the spinner. So it will spin it and it will get dry. But one thing you will know is that if you wash a lot of dress and you don't want to pack it immediately, I will advise you spread it to the sun so it can able to dry very well. Let the sun beat it, because when you gather it and you know the dress is much and you put inside your bag, it's likely to smell. So for you to prevent that, you spread it to the sun and the sun will beat it for a while. You can now bring it inside. So it's very important. So you can see the number I'm showing. If you want to spin, you put it, you can see how it's moving. You put it to 5, it will be moving, it will be rotating till it's off. You can see this one is also washing. You can see it's washing. Like, I so much love this washing machine. In my next video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use it automatically, how you can connect it automatically, so it will be more easier for you. If you have any question, please leave a comment on the comment section below. I would love to see your comments. Ask me any question. If you don't understand anything, ask me any question. Feel free and ask me any question. My next video is coming up and I will love you guys to watch it. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye. Please, as you are watching, please share the video so it can go viral. I want this video to hit millions. You guys can help me do it. Thanks. I love you guys.